Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today we have my Ipsy, and then I put my Macys in here because when I opened the Macys to pull out the little packet, it was not wrapped very well and everything was just loose in the box. So it's in a Sephora bag. Anyway, yeah, we have my boxes for the month of October. Let me know what you've got in your boxes. Did we get the similar things? What do you think of what came in each box? Let me know down below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's start with Ipsy. I do not love the bag. It's not quite as creepy as last Halloween's, but I hate snakes. If you have watched for a while, you know that one time I found a snake in the sunroom where I was filming at my parents' house, and I screamed for a good 30 to 45 seconds and had run, and it was a baby snake. It wasn't a big snake, but I'm terrified of snakes. I just was screaming until my brain finally went, oh, words, you should say words. And so I don't like snakes. I'm not really into the evil eye thing either. I don't know. Does anybody else get when they do close-ups of eyes, it's just a little creepy. I don't know. That could just be me. Anyway, probably going to pass, well, definitely going to pass on the bag for sure. So this month is Work of Magic, and oh, it does tell me what's in there, so that's exciting. Last month they did not. We're going to start with the large thing that I stuck in the bag because it always comes separate. This is Lovecraft Beauty. This is a brush. Don't know what type of a brush. Oops. I still don't know what type of a brush this is supposed to be. This is supposed to be a blush brush. Okay, that is an interesting shape for a blush brush. It does have a little smiley face on it, which is kind of cute. Colors feel very Halloween-y. This retails for $18. That seems like quite a bit for a brush, but that's the first thing. Can you see his little smiley face? There we go. Okay, not too bad to start off with. I never know if I should keep these or not. Do you keep them? I feel like they could be useful, but I also feel like I have a tendency just to keep things for the sake of keeping things because they might be useful, which is not a good thing. All right, next up we have this guy. This is from Defiance Beauty by Nekami. I have no idea. Does this tell me? Nope, it doesn't say who it's by. So this is supposed to be a bronzer in the shade Goddess Glow. Okay, that doesn't look quite as dark as, I was looking at that and I was like, that looks very, very dark. This looks a little lighter. I think it probably could work. It almost reminds me of the shade of Hula. I, once again, forgot to bring over my makeup wipes because I'm still, transitioning from one office to another. Basically, I have two offices at the moment with all of my stuff across the street because I haven't moved it over here yet. And that probably won't happen until next weekend, I'm thinking. All right. Oh, and the full size of that retails for $22, which is 7.5 grams. And this is 2.8 grams. So that's a little over a third, right? Somewhere around there. Then we have Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. I've used this before, I'm pretty sure. Retails for $28 for 150 ml. This is a 20 ml. Definitely will use that and enjoy that. Next up, we have this guy from Dr. Brandt. This is the No More Baggage Eye Gel. I've been using eye gels at night because I have several of them. So I've been layering them, put them on, then put my toner on, then put my eye cream on and my serums. So this guy retails for $48 for a full size. Gently pat, don't rub it under your eyes. It's supposed to be it's supposed to tighten, smooth, and depuff. I might see if my mom wants to try that. Or my aunt. I know she was asking about stuff, and I was like, I have an idea of something that I think she might like. All right, then, I have something from Ofra. This is a mauve lip liner. I must have chosen the cleanser because I honestly don't remember choosing any of these things. I know I made my choice. This is in the shade Mauve, which looks very, very brown. And lip or eyeliner. Okay. I don't see myself using the shade. This is not a me shade. at all. So I'm going to pass this along. Somebody who likes browner shades, I'm going to give that to them. This is a regular full size, so that's $13. So you do have 2 full size items, a brush and a lip liner, which is pretty good, but I will be passing along some of this. So cleanser, good. Bronzer, hopefully good. Brush, it's hopefully good. This one I think I'm going to pass along, and I'm going to definitely pass along the lip liner. It's kind of a mixed bag. I like that I got some more, I feel like I got more makeup this month, which is exciting because I am, like, I love skincare, but I'm feeling a little burnt out on skincare, to be honest. All right, so next we have Macy's. As always, they have the 5 off of 20 coupon that you can use in store and online. I haven't tried them online lately because I have been trying not to shop at Macy's because it gets expensive. We have the Bumble and Bubble BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. This is a primer. I can't remember if I've used this or if I passed this along to people who use, because this is supposed to be a heat UV protective primer. I guess my hair does go out in the sun, but I definitely don't style it with any heat whatsoever. Then we have a Lancome Seals Booster XL. This is like the primer, so I will pass that along. I'm just not into primers. I probably should, but they take too much time and energy. All right, Maximal Sleek Satin Lipsticks. So these are new. That's what it looks like. And we have 3 shades and a little lipstick on the back. Creme in Your Coffee, Rebel, and Truth Be Untold. Like, this is a maybe, and this is, special occasions. I will put those in my lip. I have so many products that I need to use. They're not really something I reach for that much. Oh, I do use this. This is the Vitamin Rich Face Base from Bobbi Brown. It is a nice moisturizer, so that will eventually get used. Then we have from Giorgio Armani. This is the Crema Nera Supreme Reviving Cream. And this box feels like it's got to be so much bigger than, in a lot of ways. And this is one of those packages that, like, feels way bigger than the product inside. Oh, look at how nicely it is in there, though. Like, with the little dot at the top. Okay. Very cheap feeling packaging. Very, very light packaging on that. So, oh, I do have another thing. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer Plus. I do like this. I've used this before, so that will actually get good use. And I have these guys, which you, I guess, put in the refrigerator, and they're little under eye. They're kind of slightly bulky. Like, that's the 2 of them. That's how thick they are together. I should use them. I do have a mask that I did have in the refrigerator. I haven't used it in years, but it like covered your whole eye, and it was like, kind of like a sleep mask, but with holes in it, and it made a gel. So, okay. Not the worst thing that they have sent us. Sometimes some of their little things that they add on are really weird and chintzy. I feel like this one's a little bit better. So we did technically get 6 things in our Macy's. I still miss the perfume, especially there's been a lot of perfumes coming out. Like, I feel like they could bring back the perfumes. Like, there's the new Marc Jacobs, there's a couple new Valentinos, heck, there's even the new Lieb. And not that I would wear that because of the lavender, but there's been so many new perfumes that have come out that I feel like they could bring them back. I know it felt like a little stale after a while because they were sending some duplicates, but there's things you could do. I wonder what the theme for this month was. Oh, prep and prime for summer. Why is your theme prep and prime for summer and the coupon dates are 10/21 through 12/22? Summer is over. It is October. Why are we prepping and priming for summer? So prepping and priming for summer. Face base, I will use the Armani Crema Nera. I will use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer because I do like that one. Primerizer. I will use maybe these. Maybe. Passing along this guy. Need to look into this. It does say you can put it on damp or dry hair. So maybe I should just use it. I don't know. And then these are okay. So one, maybe pass along, maybe I should pass along the Max too. I don't know. Anyway, let me know which one you think is better. I feel like they're both okay. Neither one is like wowing me, but I feel like I got some things that are solid that I will use in both of them. So that helps. And I love trying new things and, you know, getting a little surprise that's affordable. Like, you know, these are $15 a month, so they're not outrageously expensive as opposed to, you know, if I was actually shopping at Sephora or Macy's or any of them and putting in orders. So it saves me a little money, gives me a little endorphin boost, you know? Anyway, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.